start with the new now, so we're going to take out your notebooks if you didn't already. Okay. Go ahead and take out your notebooks and get started. We're going to begin with the new now. For this lesson, there is a couple of things that I wanted to tell you guys about. Today we're going to work on water pollution. Tomorrow we're going to do a lab activity on water pollution. So it's gonna give you more of a visual on what we're doing. So you're gonna need the information that we're learning today for tomorrow to talk about, okay? Including the stuff that we did the day before, which was, who remembers what we did yesterday? Not the alien species. I know you guys love that one. That was your favorite so far. What did we do yesterday? Look in your notes. Okay, Danny, you had your hand up originally. What was it?
We're talking about the SO2 and NOx, the sulfur dioxide and nitrous.
And where do we find those? Because that is very right, Danny, and that's an excellent comment. Where do we find those? Who has an idea of where we find those? Brooke, you had your hand up.
In acid rain.
In acid rain. So what did we study yesterday? Oh, you knew that, Adonis?
Yes.
Are you giving him like, I knew that? Yeah? So, your do now is, in what ways would your life be different if you did not have access to clean, drinkable water? Go ahead and begin, and then we'll share randomly. I'll call 3 people to share. Yasmin, did you find your notes? Oh, and you need to get your notes. Okay. Teresa, don't forget to give it back to me at the end of class because I need a grade, okay? I just didn't have time yesterday to leave right after school. You good? You want me to stay focused? Are you done writing? Three sentences. What do you think? How would your life be different? What would be different about your life? What would you have to do? What types of things would be happening? Didn't work, Danny. Let me see. Yeah, it does. When you see Mr. Robinson, just tell him what's going on, okay? You and him will figure out the problem together. Hey, did you ever make the invitations for me? Yes. Can you come in and make up that say after school? Should draw really nice. Like, you know, like those flowers you did on that skull that one time? Like maybe do some flowers and then on the inside write that message. You see what I'm saying? Maybe do like one like that and then another, whatever you like, just do like 2 nice drawings. Okay, so let's go ahead and share because I do notice most of you guys are done. We're about to finish. I know you said. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Nina's not here. Isabel's not here? Or
She's
guess what?
gonna be late.
She's gonna be late.
This is her birthday. She was like getting ready.
Super.
Getting her hair, painting her
Okay, Adonis, what What did you say? In what ways would your life be different if you did not have access to clean drinkable water?
Well, it was like that thing, and it actually caused a problem for humans and for animals because innocent water it wouldn't be clean. The water would still have disease.
Okay, so how would that affect you? What would be different, like, with you? What would it, how would that, happy birthday, Isabel. He didn't say anything?
No.
Is it your birthday?
He said only one person.
I'll call him and I'll remind him. I'll remind him, okay? Go ahead and take out your notebook. So, how would it affect you, Adonis?
More people would get sick and die.
More people around you? Like your family members? Yeah. I mean, it would be definitely be very sad, right? Jimmy, how would it affect you?
Guess the water would be nasty at the same time. A lot of people in my family would be sick and
You could get sick. Okay, let's add one other person, share. Danny, what is popular today?
Was like a lot of people would be sick because like they sometimes they give them some water like when they give like cooking something and like the water's gonna be all dirty and food's gonna taste gross and people are gonna get sick and things like that thing.
So what if all the water around you was like dirty? What would you try to do? Well, not drink it, then you could get dehydrated and become even more sick. What else could you try to do, Anthony?
drink milk because it doesn't have any water.
Okay, drink milk. So let's think about like another place where we could go. What else could we try to do, Brianna?
Clean the water.
Clean the water.
Just like nothing. Survival guy thing, whatever. And he got some kind of food and a cloth where he poured the water into a jug. And he opened this kind of fruit, whatever, and poured stuff into it where it actually purified it.
Oh really? I never heard of that. You should show me that video. Find it. Jimmy, what else?
I would look for like I think it was on the video, but they said that we had like 2% of fresh water.
So you try to find the fresh water? That's a good thought. So, actually, you guys, we do have a lot of unsafe occurrences in our area. So I'm not trying to do this so you guys never drink water again, okay? Please don't freak out. How much poop is in your drinking water? It's just, let's read this little half a page. Let's start reading about what this means. It's the front page. Don't read the back yet. The back is to help you later on. The shorter one. Okay. So let's do the popcorn reading. Not the reading we did like 2 days ago where you kept reading when I said your name. The reading we've done in the past where you only read one word. Right? Are you guys ready? Oh, and just to let you guys know, today we're going to be studying pollution, and then we're going to be doing a reading. Then you guys are going to be watching a couple videos about water and pollution. Then we're going to look at pollution in Arizona. And then you guys are going to write a letter to somebody important asking them about the water quality in your area. Okay? So that will be the end of today.
It says purified poop extra.
Yes, it does say that. Okay, so let's focus on your paper. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. The word is being heard. Okay, sorry. How much poop is in your drinking water?
In the back.
Yeah, the shorter. I'm on the shorter one. Oh yeah, I said not to read this one. This one will help you with your letter. So are we ready? How much poop is in your drinking water? The word is being heard. Bottled water is not all it's cracked up to be. This message arrives, Cyan, just in time for us to learn that sewage, including human waste and dangerous industrial chemicals, is spilling into waterways across America. Joseph, as reported by Charles Duhigg in the New York Times, in the last 3 years alone, more than 9,400 of the nation's 25,000 sewage systems, including those in major cities, have reported violating the law by dumping untreated or partly treated human waste, chemicals, and other hazardous materials into rivers, lakes, and elsewhere. Brianna. According to the data from state environmental agencies and the Environmental Protection Agency, it happens anytime you get hard rainfall. Connaughton, an engineer at Brooklyn's Owl's Head Water Pollution Control Plant, told the Times. Sometimes all it takes is 20 minutes of rain, and you've got overflows across Brooklyn. The Connaughton speaks of is untreated feces and industrial waste spilling from emergency relief valves in the upper New York Bay and Gannow's Canal. Okay, so I want you guys to actually have a video of a sewage treatment plant, and so we're going to look at how they treat it and what's going on. So be ready to share.